Oh, oh, careful, there's barbed wire fences, mate. Oh. So muddy. Oh. Grim. God, we might as well just fucking walk out into like...
Fucking black, I don't like it.
I know. I'm a bit scared. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god, how did you get in? Just like turn and sitting it backwards. Yeah, yeah, I am. How did you do this?
Literally just plant your arse in it. Get your center of balance. Hold on to the thing so I don't want to get up.
Whoa, bro, where am I going? I feel like I'm gonna tip it over.
You go in front?
Yeah, yeah, well you better hurry your ass up, mate. Into the open. Whoa, get away from me, boy. Get away.
No, let's see you later.
I don't know what I'm doing. Whoa. Turn me round.
You can go backwards with the other one. You've gone the wrong way.
Oh my god, I'm still learning. Okay, okay. Whoa, how'd you get over there, mate? Oh my god.
You gotta grip the bar more. I don't know why you need to hold it in the same place.
Oh!
You're like folding it.
Yeah, I was. Yeah, why is the water black? That is crazy, man.
I'm leaning too far, by the way.
Can you go this side of me? Because I want the sun, like, in the shot.
Keep going in front anyway.
I don't know. I just get carried away and just drive. Speed kayaking! We can have a race!
Where are we going?
I guess so, yeah. I wanna go close to the castle first, and then we'll go over and check out that cool house thing over there, yeah?
I'm not going that far.
Alright, well...
Literally, I'm saying in this vicinity.
Let's go over... We're basically there anyway.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I don't mind going a bit over there.
So we'll...
Too close though, because maybe there's reeds and what.
Yeah, okay. Well, you'll be able to see them, because the water's actually quite clear.
Is it? All I see is black.
Stick your hand in. You're like, nah, fuck that. Yeah, this is sick. Has he heard of me?
He heard of me. There's a fucking boat coming towards us.
That boat's got fucking steering, mate. I mean, it's open water, surely it can't crash into us. Maybe if I was driving that boat, then we'd be worried.
Sick,
yeah, you know, I'm coming up on the other side here just so I can get a good shot. Oh, and a bit far. Yes, mate.
I'm going back. Yeah?
Have a little look at the castle, mate.
I'm looking at the castle.
I've had a look. Yeah, this lake is creepy as fuck, really, isn't it?
Thank you. It's like you made it all the way to the castle and you was like, yeah, this is creepy.
Yeah, yeah, I've had enough now.
Oh, this will be a good shot. I'll race you back.
Okay, one sec.
You gotta keep looking.
Alright, let me get in front first.
Let me get in front.
I don't want to crash.
Keep looking at me, because we've got to get them shots.
I fucking am, but now I'm coming towards you. Move! Whoa, I'm going a bit fucking...
Where the water's been, it takes your body weight.
Woohoo! Yeah, this is actually sick, mate.
Yeah, it's pretty chill, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm glad we came on here. And then you turn around and I'm just gone, like under the water. Just disappeared.
No splash or nothing.
Yeah, yeah.
This is actually pretty chill.
Yeah, you know. Hope you capsize. No, I'll never go back. I'll never go back. What are you doing? You'll have to push us both. Out to sea you go.
Well, they should do a game like that.
Where it's like kayak wars.
Yeah, like you can knock each other in.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear me say.
I was getting drone shots of this castle, and then I crashed my drone into one of these trees, and now I can't find it. I didn't see where it went or anything, so I've just got to have a quick look for it. Mate, yeah. Oh my God. Fucking found it. It looks intact as well. Mate, I cannot believe that. I am over the fucking moon that I found that, literally. I want to just like put this in bubble wrap now and just leave it and never take it out again. Fucking hell.